My name is Aakash, and I'm working in Fornaio company, and my job is the production supervisor. And my job is to keep the product standard high and keep the cleaning and everything. And I follow my standard. I'm using that hoover everyday everyday jobs. Some flour fall down on the floor, so we use the hoover to clean the flour before we start the water to clean the floor. So that's makes the job very easy to give the clean with the water. So no flour on the floor, so it's easy to clean with the water. I'm lucky to have that because some of the areas in the fish line that you can't use the brush to clean that. So once you have the hoover, you can put that holes, the pipes with the connectors, so you can clean that some of the very close parts in the fish line. Yeah, so I will recommend every companies who producing like flour, sugar, everything. So they can use that to clean the every machines and the floor and very easy with the nozzles and everything. Like some of the parts you can't clean. So if you have hoover, you can clean the corners and everything without brush.